How to email sign out from Outlook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the process is very simple. First, launch your Outlook application and then from your top left corner go to your profile icon. Now from your bottom left go to the settings. Now, the process is very short and very simple. All you have to do is go to accounts and then select your account or the email which you want to sign out from. And there you go. You will see an option of remove account and then simply select it, and then or you can also reset your account. Resetting your account will restart Outlook and then remove all your details. But if you go to remove account, you will get two different other options, that is remove from this device and remove from all mobile devices. If you want your account to be removed from all other mobile devices, simply select the second one and then select remove and done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.